Have you ever been rejected by someone you care about, only to feel lost, confused, and unsure of what to do next? It's one of the toughest emotional battles we face in life. Rejection. But what if I told you that rejection isn't the end, but actually a powerful opportunity for growth and reconnection? In today's video, we're going to dive into how to get her back after rejection, and the proven steps that can make this not only possible, but can set the foundation for a stronger relationship than before. Understanding the emotional impact of rejection. Rejection often leaves us feeling hurt, confused, and desperate. But first, it's important to understand why rejection stings so much. Our brains are wired to seek connection and approval, so when we face rejection, it triggers a deep emotional response. The key is not to react impulsively, but to give both yourself and her the emotional space needed to process these feelings. Reflect on the reasons behind her decision. Before you rush to try and fix things, take a step back and reflect. Why did she reject you in the first place? Was it about timing, emotional readiness, or perhaps a lack of compatibility? Understanding the real reasons behind the rejection will help you take meaningful actions instead of making the same mistakes. This phase is crucial for growth and understanding. Focus on personal growth and self-improvement. If you want to get her back, the best thing you can do is to become the best version of yourself. Take this time to work on personal growth, whether it's improving your physical health, pursuing new hobbies, or focusing on your emotional well-being. When you show that you've grown from the experience, it can reignite attraction and change her perception of you. Respect her space and give her time. One of the most important things to do after rejection is to give her space. Don't bombard her with texts, calls, or emotional pleas. Respect her decision and allow her to miss you. This space creates room for reflection and can sometimes make her reconsider her initial stance. During this time, focus on yourself and allow the natural process of emotional distancing to work in your favor. Let me share a story that illustrates this process. Imagine a man named Jake who faced rejection from a woman he really liked, Emma. Instead of chasing her down, Jake took time to reflect on why things didn't work out. He realized that he had been too eager and hadn't allowed Emma to see him as an independent, confident person. Jake spent the next few months focusing on his fitness, started working on his passion projects, and cultivated a stronger, more self-assured version of himself. He didn't try to force a conversation or ask for another chance. Instead, he let things happen organically. Eventually, after several months, Emma reached out to him. She noticed the changes and was intrigued by the confident, self-sufficient man Jake had become. What was once rejection transformed into a renewed connection. The truth is, rejection doesn't have to be the end. It's just a temporary setback. If you use it as a chance for self-reflection and growth, you can change not only her perception of you, but also your own sense of self-worth. The key is to show respect for her feelings, take responsibility for any mistakes, and use the experience to better yourself. When you stop chasing and start focusing on yourself, the chances of getting her back naturally increase. So, if you've been rejected, don't lose hope. Take a step back, focus on growth, and let time and space work in your favor. Have you ever experienced rejection and successfully got someone back? Share your experience in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like, subscribe, and share it with anyone who could use a little guidance on the road to emotional healing and reconnection.